Hey guys, it's Space, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can trade various cryptocurrencies through this exchange called Cryptopia. The URL is cryptopia.co.nz. Once you've made an account, you can see this is just a test account. You can go to balances and you can see, once it loads, you can see you can hide zero balances to see which balances you have. So right now I've got 0.0069 bitcoins. And in the previous tutorials I showed you how to deposit and withdraw and also create an account and add to favorites. You can even show your favorites only, which is pretty helpful. Okay, to trade a coin we have to go to exchange up here and click markets, and here we can see all of the different coins that we can trade against Bitcoin. But if you want to trade coins against Tether or New Zealand, I don't know what this is, or Litecoin or Dogecoin, you can choose the markets there and then search for your pair. So okay, I'm going to choose Doge. Okay, so here we can see the charts, and so the chart shows you the price. Here you can see from the beginning to like the end of the chart, like the time period. So right now this shows you the last 2 days of trading. If we click 6 months, it's going to show us the last 6 months of trading, so where the price was in the last 6 months, and you can see the date down the bottom. You can even move this and that just moves it to like further back. You can click all if you want to see the total data for all of the trading on this coin. And right now we're looking at a candlestick chart, and so you can see that these little bars are called candles, and candles have a wick and the wax or whatever, like the actual candle. So if we have a look at this candle right here, let's just zoom in on one really quickly. Okay, let's look at this red one. Looks pretty good. Okay, so if it's green, it means the price started at the bottom of the wax. I'm just going to say a wax and the wick. Okay, so it starts at the wax at the bottom and ends at the top within this 1 day period. So on the 17th of June, the price started at about 115 satoshis, and at the end of that day it finished at 120 satoshis. But within that day the price fell to, well, the price was at these wicks. So the lowest price was 113 about, and the highest was up here at about 123 satoshis. Okay, so that's a green candle. A red candle means that the price started here, it went up to these wicks, and then it ended at the day at the bottom of this candle. So hopefully that was a good enough explanation. So that's how this chart works, and these little buttons right here show you like the different thicknesses of the candle. So if you choose like 2 days, each candle represents 1 hour of time, but we could change it to be 15 minutes of time if we want. And you know, that just gives you like a different look for the graph. It kind of looks a bit weird though when it's Dogecoin, because the satoshis, it's only 25, so it looks kind of weird. If it was like 1,000, it would look a bit different, but that's how it is. Okay, so after this we've got buy and sell. So what this means is what it says. So if you want to buy Doge, you just type in the amount of Doge you want and the price that you want to pay in Bitcoin, and then here it will say the total amount of Bitcoins that you want to spend. But what I like to do is say, I want to buy 0.006 Bitcoins worth of Doge. So what you do is you put in the total of, you put the price in that Dogecoin that you want to pay. So let's see, I want to pay 26 satoshis. So I'm just going to put in 26 right here, and then the total Bitcoins I want to pay is 0.006. Okay, and then it'll automatically fill in this amount of Dogecoin. So that means that for 0.006 Bitcoins, at 26 Satoshis, I'm going to get 23,076.9 Doge. Okay, and then once we've done that, we click buy Doge, and our order, you'll see a little tick here, it'll get added to this, well, to the buy orders, and it will add on top of someone else who, if someone else already has like a buy order at this price, you'll be put behind them in line. And so if someone is selling at 26 Satoshis, the person that was already buying at 26 Satoshis, they'll receive coins first until their whole order has been filled and they're no longer buying. Then you will receive coins. Hopefully I explained that well enough. Here you can see market history, so the last price people were buying and selling at, so the price, the amount of Dogecoins total, and if someone was buying or if someone was selling, and the time. Okay, open orders, if you scroll down, shows you, okay, it shows that I'm buying Dogecoin at 26 Satoshis, this much, and the amount remaining is how many, it's basically this amount minus however much people have sold to you. So since no one's sold anything, it's just going to be the same amount and how much that's worth in Bitcoin. And if you want, you can cancel it by clicking this X and you'll no longer be buying. And now for a demonstration on selling, I'm just going to buy Bitcoin. So if you want to buy, I'm going to buy Dogecoin. So if you want to buy Dogecoin, and you don't want to be waiting for someone to sell to you, you can just buy straight off the sell orders. So you can see someone is selling at 28 Satoshis, or multiple people, it doesn't really matter. And this is the amount of Bitcoin that this is all worth. Actually, the total amount of Bitcoin is how much this is worth. The sum is actually, it adds up all of the previous ones. So the sum right here is going to be this one plus this one. The sum right here is going to be this one plus this, all the way back. Okay, so now I'm going to buy Dogecoin at this price just to demonstrate selling. So if I want, I can type in buying at 28 Satoshis, and the amount, I'm just going to use the full amount of Bitcoin that I have. Okay, I'm buying at 28, and also if if someone's just selling a very small amount of Dogecoin for like 0.0001 Bitcoins, and like that's the total amount at like the top right here, then, and you have like more Bitcoin, but you don't want to have to keep creating orders for each small amount. Like you don't want to have like, okay, I'm buying 5 Doge for 28, 100 for 29, like 3,000 for 30, and then like finally you can buy the total amount that you want to buy at like another price higher. If that's happening, you don't need to actually create a separate order for each price. You can just say, alright, I want to buy as many Dogecoin as I can, and the maximum I want to pay is 31 Satoshis. And we can click balance right here to automatically fill in our balance, and it'll see that it says I can buy 22,000 at 31 Bitcoins, but when I click buy, it's actually going to buy from the 28 right here, because that's the lowest amount, and it wouldn't make sense to buy at a higher price than you can pay. So as you saw, it said like 22,000, and the amount that I got was actually different. So if we have a look at market history, you can see that I actually bought it at 28 instead of 31, because the lowest sell order was at 28. So that's how it works. And if someone was only selling 10,000 Doge at 28 and the rest at 29, then I'd buy some of 28 and then 29 as well. So if you're confused whether that happens, just now you know. Okay, so now I have 22,000 Dogecoin, and if I want to sell it at a price, I could sell it maybe at let's see, I'll just sell it at 31. So you can click the balance right here. So if you have like something in there, if you click balance, it'll fill it in for you. Here it'll tell you how many Bitcoins you're going to get for this amount of Dogecoin, and the fee, and the total that you'll receive. So click sell Doge, you can see a minimum trade is 5,000 Satoshis, and you see I placed a sell order, and now we can see a tick right here, which means that I am selling at this price, like some amount of Dogecoin. And down here, open orders, you can see I'm selling at 31 Satoshis, this much Doge, this is how much is remaining. So no one's bought any, so the remaining amount's just going to be the same as what I've put here. But if someone bought 10,000, then it would say like remaining 12,213. Yeah, that's the total Bitcoin. And if I want, I can cancel this. And if you want to sell at the price, if you want to sell at a price that's in here, like if you want to sell straight to the top right here, you can click the price right here. It fills in the price for you, and then you can select how much Doge you have, and then it's going to give you back this much Bitcoin and the fee, and I can click sell Doge, and now I have my Bitcoin back, although it is a little bit less than before because of the difference in price and also the small fee. Anyway, that's how you buy and sell coins on Cryptopia. You just search here, select the coins, select market, and have a look at the graph and choose what you want to do. And it's pretty simple, and you can see the history down here of your buys and sells. So you can see I bought at 28 and I sold at 27, this much Dogecoin for this much Bitcoin. I lost about 0.0001 or 2. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this series of videos. I know I enjoyed making them. If you found them helpful, please like, subscribe if you want, comment and share these videos. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you for watching.